out here now, and as y'all can see, we're gonna do kind of a before and after. If y'all look, man, like I said, there's all this rust came down from the trunk lids. Y'all listen, it ain't nothing left in there now, and it came from me banging, you know what I'm saying? When I was banging in the car on Christmas Day, all the rust came out of the trunk lid and just went everywhere in the trunk. So as y'all can see, like I said, a good little before and after. All we doing is vacuuming. I'm not wiping nothing down. I'll probably get like a napkin or something and wipe down that amp because it got dust on it. But as y'all can see, rust all up there, back there, all up there. It's all rust. Look at all that. All this rust. All of it, bro. We're gonna get all of this up with that vacuum, man. We're gonna get all of it up, and everything should look fairly decent, you know what I'm saying? So floor is now all nice and clean, bro. What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now if y'all didn't watch the last video, we went ahead and pulled out all the old subwoofer box, subwoofer, and the old amp. Now in this video, we're gonna go ahead and clean up the trunk because it got a lot of rust from when I was driving the car on Christmas. I was banging, you know what I'm saying? I had the speakers going so I can test and see how they sounded and stuff, and see how the amp played and all that stuff for my little temporary setup. But now I don't need the temporary setup because my new setup, I don't know if y'all, quick little sneak peek, my permanent setup is here. So what I'm gonna end up doing, well, what we're gonna do in this video is vacuuming the trunk. Then the next video, we're gonna go ahead and lay down the CT Sound amp and mount it in there permanently and sit the speakers just in the trunk, you know what I'm saying, for now, until I go ahead and finish doing whatever I need to do for the rest of the day, you know. So this video, we're gonna go ahead and, like I said, vacuum out the trunk to clean up that old rust from when I was playing the subs, you know what I'm saying, knock the rust out of the trunk lid. Now ain't no rust left in that trunk lid, you know what I'm saying, everything is knocked out of there. It's all on the ground. So we're gonna go ahead and vacuum everything up, and then we should be good to go from there to where we can go ahead and mount in that CT Sound amp permanently. Now if y'all haven't seen it, y'all got to go back to the video, go back through and look for it, because I just posted it a few videos ago, you know what I'm saying. So y'all should be able to see me unbox that CT Sound sub, the CT Sound amp, the CT Sound 6x9s, everything, you know what I'm saying, my whole little kit. Y'all should be able to see it, so y'all got to go back and check it out when I dropped it, you know what I'm saying. It should be a couple of videos ago where we did the unboxing of all that stuff. So this video, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and clean up the trunk. Then the next video, we're gonna go ahead and mount that CT Sound amp in there permanently and set the subs in there in the trunk, so y'all can get like some kind of visual of how you're gonna be with the box. And I got a little surprise because I told y'all something was coming in the mail later on. It actually came earlier, so, or earlier than I expected, I mean to say. So y'all stay tuned for that video. We're gonna do an unboxing on that as well, and it's pretty big. It's a little bigger than what I expected, you feel me. Hopefully it fits and I don't have to return it and try to get another one. But yeah, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button for me, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell all the way, y'all get notified as soon as I drop. Share the channel, share this video. We're up to 5,000 subscribers, so I need y'all help to hit that goal. Subscribe, share the channel, share the video, and if y'all want to screen record whatever content, you feel me, my how-tos or whatever I was doing, you know what I'm saying, whenever I was working on the cars, screen record them, post them on different social medias like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, you feel me, and help me grow this channel, get this channel as far as possible. I post videos on TikTok, you feel me, more like edits though. I haven't really been doing a lot of face-to-face talk like this to y'all, to TikTok, and I haven't really done Instagram because when I tried, it wasn't really doing that well. And Facebook, I haven't really just tried. But yeah, I definitely want to get my YouTube channel going, you know what I'm saying, going further. So like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed, man. I already got the vacuum out here outside, so all we gotta do is go ahead and clean up that trunk, and then we can start moving forward with the rest of this stuff. So like I said, I hope y'all enjoy, and I'll catch y'all in a second. All right, y'all, so out here now, and as y'all can see, we're gonna do kind of a before and after. If y'all look, man, like I said, there's all this rust came down from the trunk lids. Y'all listen, it ain't nothing left in there now, and it came from me banging, you know what I'm saying, when I was banging in the car on Christmas Day. All the rust came out of the trunk lid and just went everywhere in the trunk. So as y'all can see, like I said, a good little before and after. All we doing is vacuuming. I'm not wiping nothing down. I'll probably get like a napkin or something and wipe down that amp because it got dust on it. But as y'all can see, rust all up there, back there. All up there, it's all rust. Look at all that. All this rust. All of it, bro. We're gonna get all of this up with that vacuum, man. We're gonna get all of it up. And everything should look fairly decent. You know what I'm saying? So, headphone users, I advise you now, turn your volume down because that vacuum is gonna be loud in y'all ear. I'm sorry in advance, but I need to go ahead and get this done. So, hope y'all enjoy, and I hope it's satisfying. So, let's get right into it. Dang it, my flashlight died. So what I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna have to take this off. I'm gonna turn y'all off, and I'm gonna go ahead and let my flashlight charge up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But if y'all look, so far, man, so good. Everything is looking really good so far, man. So yeah, man, I'm loving it, man. It's coming out really good. So yeah, got that half, as y'all can see. That half is looking really good. I even got on top of the amp a little bit, but like I said, it was just dust up there from, you feel me, the rust and stuff on the trunk. But yeah, I just gotta get over here now, down there, and then just a little bit. Y'all can barely see me trying to turn my phone flashlight on, see if that'll help. So yeah, like I said, it's just a little bit, not too much, but I'm also lift up under here and make sure, you feel me, not feel like in this crack here and went up under it and anything. And I'm gonna lift this board up as well and make sure ain't nothing down there. But yeah, so far, like I said, so good. I even got up here, you know what I'm saying, which it wasn't really much there, but I just went ahead and did it anyways. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up off camera, take my camera inside, let my flashlight charge, and I'm gonna finish this on up off camera, and then I'll come back and get y'all in a second. So I hope y'all enjoy. Like I said, y'all leave y'all opinions, what y'all thinking, and CT sound amp will go right there. Y'all stay tuned for all that, man. I'm telling you, I'm trying to install it today. I'm running a long time. I probably got about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours left to try to get all this stuff done. It's a lot I'm still trying to do. So like I said, hope y'all enjoy, and I'll catch y'all in a second after I let y'all charge. All right, y'all, don't mind the cord on my shoulder. I'm trying to let this flashlight charge a little bit more, but as y'all can see, floor is now all nice and clean, bro. I was sitting in here vacuuming, that way I can get all the way back. But yeah, floor is all now nice and clean, and I couldn't get this off. I'm probably going to get like some soap and water to get that off. But yeah, board is now clean and ready to go. And next video, we're finna go ahead and mount that CT sound amp in here. Hope y'all excited just like I am, bro. I'm so excited. I'm excited to hear this stuff, bro. Very excited. So y'all stay tuned. Like I said, got the whole floor nice and clean. Y'all leave y'all opinions down below. I'm gonna have to turn y'all this way, that way y'all don't see what I got. All right, the cord won't reach that far. My bad, I didn't realize I was that close. I'll go ahead and try to grab this amp box, because the amp is the next video I'm gonna record. Oh. All right, here we go, make sure we charging. So yeah, like I said, amp is going there in the next video, man. Y'all stay tuned. I wanted to get everything cleaned up before I did that, you know what I'm saying? That way, you know, it'll be done. And then I need to go ahead and be ready to start doing my speaker wires. I'm gonna run the speaker wires under the board so they don't just be going across the board like that. See, like I did these, I ran them under the board, coming over into the little ports for the speakers, or the speaker ports. And same thing with the CT sound. The speaker ports is gonna be down that way towards the back seat, so I'm gonna run them under the board and have them come up and go into there like that way, like I said, don't just be all messy and stuff all through there. And then the power ground remote gonna go in, and then I'm done. You feel me? So I'm finna try to get all this done today. Like I said, I'm finna try. Don't know how well it's gonna turn out, but we are finna go ahead and mount this CT sound amp in here, and it won't come back out. You know, it won't come back out. And like I said, unfortunately, it is gonna be upside down because I don't have no more ground wire to run the ground wire all the way to that side. So I'm gonna just mount it upside down. It'll be fine. I mean, I could undo that one, mount that one upside down on that side, but I just don't feel like moving it. I'm gonna just leave that one alone, and like I said, just put the CT sound upside down. It'll be okay. It ain't gonna be that big of a deal. I wish I could have it facing regular, but like I said, I don't. Once I get more ground wire, then I will flip it. But until then, we're just gonna do it like I said, like how I said we're gonna have it. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think, how y'all think it turned out. I think it looks really, really good, nice and clean. Got under the carpet, like I said, and yeah, I don't have to. I'm not replacing this carpet because this carpet was customly cut for this trunk, and I just don't want to deal with the headache of trying to cut it out and undercut it, and then I mess it up, I have to redo it. I just don't feel like dealing with it. So the board covers up that part of the carpet back there. The box can cover up this part of the carpet down here. So like I said, I'm not too worried about it. And then I'm not doing no overlay because I want y'all to see this stuff. I didn't put all this money into this trunk. I want y'all to actually see all this stuff, you know. So yeah, once I get everything mounted in here permanently, I can start pulling them wires out, because I'm not gonna need no more. Same thing with these wires here. Just my speaker wires for the speaker box and the subs. I'm not gonna need no more of that after I finish mounting up whatever I need to mount up, you know. Get all that stuff done, and I can pull all them wires out. So yeah, man, I'm very excited. Hope y'all are too, just like I said. And next video we're gonna go ahead and be mounting this in there. So I hope y'all enjoyed this one, and I will catch y'all in a second for the outro. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of this one, man. Like I said, stay tuned for the next video, really the next 2 videos. I'm so excited for these next few, like next 5 really. I think I'm gonna record like 3 or 4 more after this next one. So y'all stay tuned for this next one. The next one we're gonna go ahead and finally mount in that CT Sound amp permanently, and it won't be coming back out, like I said, unless I end up getting more ground wire. Then I can flip it, that way the CT Sound will be facing the right way. But like I said, I'm not worried about that at all, you feel me. It's still a nice looking amp, and it's brand new, so I'm not too worried about it being the symbol or the logo, I mean, being upside down. I'm not too worried about that. I just want it mounted in the car, and I want it to play, and it's gonna do both of those, because like I said, it's brand new. So I'm gonna test it though. I'm definitely gonna test it to make sure it's gonna come on and play. I'm not gonna do it today, but I will do it within the next week. I got like 30 days. So yeah, once the weather chill, you feel me, a little bit, because like I said, we're supposed to have a snowstorm. So once the weather chill a little bit, then I'm gonna come back out here, hook up the battery, and make sure everything comes on. That way, if it don't, I can send it back and they can send me another one, you feel me, or I can get in contact with customer service and get it like that. And I know the subs will be perfectly fine, you feel me, or they should, hopefully, you know what I'm saying. Hopefully everything will be good there. But yeah, y'all stay tuned, bro. Like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this one. Y'all let me know how y'all think the cleaning turned out, you feel me. Like I said, I think it looks really, really good, bro. Got all that rust up. I shook the trunk. It shouldn't be no more rust coming out, so hopefully, you feel me. If it do, then I'll just have to vacuum again. But yeah, everything should be good there on the trunk lid. I was gonna replace it, but I can't find one, you know what I'm saying. Not even at a junkyard, and nobody parting out their Cutlass or anything. They all just selling it as a shell, and I don't want to get a shell, you feel me, and just pull. All I need is literally just the trunk, which I don't even need a full trunk. It's just a few little spot welds I need to do, and so that's why I want to practice welding and then come and do it on this trunk myself. But I can find I found somebody that said they can do it, so I'm gonna see if they can do it for me, and how much. Actually, I'm gonna see how much they're gonna charge. And if they try to charge a crazy amount, then I'm gonna try to teach myself how to weld and try to get it done myself, you know. But yeah, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all leave y'all opinions in the comment section down below. Let me know what y'all think, how y'all think it looks. Stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna wire up the CT Sound amp permanently and mount it in there permanently. So make sure y'all hit the like button, like the video for me. Excuse me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell on, the way y'all get notified as soon as I drop. Share the channel, share this video. I'm on road to 5,000 subscribers, so I need your help to hit that goal. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Share the channel, share the video. Y'all can even screen record this and post it on different social medias to try to get my channel out there more. You feel me? I'm doing the same thing. I need y'all help too, you feel me? I need as much help as I can get. I won't turn down no help at all. But other than that, man, like I said, I love y'all, appreciate y'all. Keep God first, and God bless, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.